Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is week 2 of my muscle food live clean diet, and I've just received my box. I just came back from a walk with Belle. Walk with Belle. This is my second box. So what's in here today? I was expecting 2 boxes, but I guess they managed to fit everything into one box this time around, which is good.
I got ice pack for you.
Okay.
For when you do your baby lap.
Okay. So yeah, we have my meals for this week. So I'm gonna insert a video of the ordering, how I ordered everything. It's simple really. If you follow the link in my description box, it just takes you straight to my page. If you want a £10 discount on your first box, you just go to Musclefoods. I'm leaving the link in the description box below. I'm on my page. I will just scroll down and select the meals I want for this week. You can go here to select your plan. I chose the 1200 calories plan the other week, and this is 3 meals and 2 snacks a day, and that is just about right for somebody like me. So 1200, and I'm going to go for the 6-day plan because I want to have 1 cheat day. Okay. It is allowed, it's allowed. And so for my breakfast on the first one, I will go for, I'm gonna take away this. Why are they recommending that? So I'm gonna go for this. Did he order that for me? And I'll go for this. So that's 4, because I chose the 6 day plan. I'm choosing 6 breakfasts in total, so I have 4 now. What else would I like? Oh, I did enjoy the pancake. Yeah, I'll go for that. And I will go for the vegan mug. Okay, this is nice. This looks nice. I'm gonna go for the morning snack. I will go for this again. And I'll go for this. Yep. So for lunch, I'll go for this wrap. I did enjoy this too. I need to add 1 more. So I'll go for this.
And I'll go for this.
Okay, baby.
I chosen you and I'll go for your one.
Yeah, it looks like I'm over the calorie thing, but it's okay.
I'm gonna have this.
This is the chicken fajita. Okay. I don't know why I thought to do lots of pizza this week, but not lots, like 2 of them. So mighty meaty. I got the lasagna again because it was that good. It was very good, so I got the lasagna again. And I got myself some wraps. I didn't try this the first week, so I'm going to try the wraps this week. I tried to make some changes. I didn't want to get the same thing I got from the first week, so I tried to change it a little bit. And I got the satay chicken. It says it's high in protein. Oh, I got my snacks again, original. Yeah.
I'm gonna eat that one.
I know, we ate that one so quick. Yeah, and I really love this one too. I really love this one, so I got this again.
Ice, Mama.
There. Porridge. Last time Belle ate one, but I ate the other one myself. This is the pancakes are really good. I'm not really a pancake person, so when I saw the pancake, I was a bit hesitant, and when I tried it, it was very good. What's this? Strawberry and white chocolate cookie, protein cookie, and this one is 251 calories. Oh, I like what they did today. They're trying to cut down on the packaging. Yeah, the last time they sent me 2 boxes, and it was okay, but I didn't see the point of the second box. So this is very good. This is very good. You know, this is my favorite, right? The beef jerky.
Me too.
Our news and exclusive offers. Oh yeah, talking about offers, I have a £10 discount on your first box. So if you're interested, check the description box below. I will have a discount code in there for you. Get yourself a £10 discount, and let's go on this journey together. Oh, I was looking forward to this.
Me too.
The breakfast bagel. It reminds me of McDonald's. I was really looking forward to this.
See, look, here's a letter.
Oh wow, Belle got a letter. And yet the other time I cooked the beef stir fry, and it was very good. So I'm going to cook this today. I'm not really a sweet potato person, but yeah, I don't mind. Oh, dragonfly chicken skewers. Oh, this is it. Oh, okay. I have to make this myself. Okay, that's good. So that's, yeah. There's more meal, ready meals. They were a lifesaver last week, and so I'm looking forward to these ones. Which one is this? Peri peri chicken. I have to make myself. What's this one? The burger bowl. Yeah. Okay.
I got 2.
Yeah. The burger bowl. Okay. I'll have to make myself. Oh yeah, my favorite was the sausage and beans. You can see that I like it because I ordered 2 of them for breakfast. So yeah, it was very good. I liked it. So this is my breakfast for today. This is the sausage and beans, and so I'm starting the week now with this breakfast, and I'm looking forward to it. Let me just go and munch it already because I'm hungry. I just came back from a walk/run, and so yeah, there's room for some food. And I just thought to put the food together this way so you see how much was in this box. And this is all I have. This is all I have to eat for the week. And it's got snacks, it's got breakfast, it's got lunch, it's got ready meals, it's got meals that I can prepare for myself. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to this week too. I did a little bit of mix up, so I'm looking forward to this week. Yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? It is free. Please subscribe, leave me a comment below. I have a £10 discount for your first order, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.